Hey everyone, Roman here, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to install Minecraft Forge mods on Minecraft Java. To do this, we're gonna need to install Minecraft Forge and Java. Alright, let's get started.
Go over to files.minecraftforge.net and then choose which version of Minecraft you're going to be downloading Forge and using the mods with. Then you've done choosing what version of Minecraft Forge, just hit install. Then once you hit it, do not click anything on this site where it redirects you. If you hit anything, it'll give you a virus. Just wait till the top until it says skip. Then I'll kick off a download and then just hit keep on the bottom. The file is safe.
Next up, we're gonna need to download Java. Just go over to java.com in a new tab and then just hit Java download. Then what you're gonna wanna do is open this file. Then once it says this, make sure you just hit open. Then what you want to do is open the Forge file. Then I'll say this, just hit OK if you're on a Mac. Go over to System Preferences, then hit open anyway. Then just hit open, and then it'll start working. Then once you see this, make sure you hit Install Client, and then choose here where you want to save it. Of course, you just want to save it in the Minecraft folder. Then hit OK. It'll start downloading all of this. Okay, it's done downloading now. Then just hit OK. Then go over to Finder, but on a PC you go to File Explorer. Then what you're gonna want to do is just create a new folder. Just hit New Folder, and then you're just gonna name it Mods. Then what you can just do is start dragging in mods into the Mods folder. Just like this. Then once you launch Minecraft, you'll see over here that it says Forge. Now that means you've successfully downloaded Minecraft Forge. Alright guys, that was a quick video on how to install Minecraft Forge and play with mods on Minecraft. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. To see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you get a notification when a new video like this gets posted. Well, as always guys, I hope to see you soon. Bye.